At least my hair looks nice. I'm most likely going to look worse than this when I come out of isolation, which is worrying. Not again. Why am I so tired? I haven't done anything. Little squeaky ones today. I have a vision in my head of what I want to do, but it's definitely going to be way more of a makeup therapy session for me. I'm definitely inspired by two makeup artists at the moment. One who is quite new to me actually, and her name is Laura Maercier. I think I'm saying that right. But she's on Instagram, and I will put her Instagram below. And the other one is Branna Illuminating, who I've loved for ages and ages. Very cool, very, very cool and glowy and lovely. So yeah, I'm gonna do my full base off camera and come back to you after that, because you've seen all that. And if you do want to see it, go back to my first video where I do full step-by-step on how I do my base. I'm back. I am, well, I never left. So I've got my full base on, and I'm baking with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in Banana. And I've primed my eyelids as well with P. Louise base in 0.5. I'm going to do a different eye shape, I think. I'm using the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. It's this colour. I'm not even going to attempt the name just because I don't want to mispronounce it. But it's the best navy blue colour in any eyeshadow palette I've ever known ever. And I'm going to go with the Morphe M506. This is very pigmented. And I'm going to start stamping in the colour. I'm concentrating it mainly on the outside and the inside, just to get the colour down. So I'm just going to try and wing it out a little bit, just bring it out on the sides. Okay, and now I'm taking a little clean Peaches and Cream PC47 with no product on it and really lightly blending round the outsides of where I put that colour in. Make sure you use really, really light hand. I'm speaking so stupidly. I'm going to get a pencil brush. I'm literally using the same navy blue colour here, darkening the inner corners and outer. And then taking the first brush that I used, just to blend it a little bit. I'm just going to go into this sort of off-white bone colour with that tiny brush and place it underneath the brow. I'm going to try this. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it does, we'll see. So I'm taking a wet wipe, a makeup wipe, and I just want to clear a space in the middle of my lid and get rid of a lot of the eyeshadows. When I sort of make the spotlight crease, the blue pigment doesn't bleed into the base. I'm going to take my P. Louise base and cut a sort of spotlight cut crease. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to take that pencil brush that I used and just blend the sides. Okay, so I'm mixing two pigments, and they're both from Peaches and Cream Cosmetics. Sapphire and Starlight. Sapphire is like a navy blue, sort of sparkly pigment, and Starlight is just sort of doesn't have a colour to it, it's just sparkly. So I'm going to paint a little bit of lash glue to the lids. Let it go a bit tacky. I'm taking a MAC 239, I think, dipping it in the pot and just packing it on. Okay, so that's the top portion of the eyes done. White dermacolour, and just go on my waterline on the bottom. And for the lower lash line, I'm going in with that same blue colour with a little tiny angle brush. And just join it to the outside of where you put the shadow. And I'm going to take a clean, tiny little clean fluffy brush and just bring this out, just blend this out a little bit more. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna go in with some black gel liner just to still create that inner corner. What I'm going to do is put glue on the lashes first. These are the Tatty lashes, the TL Mitchell 2s. They're a bit shorter than my unicorn lashes that I use. They're really nice and fluffy. Let's put some glue on those. While the glue's drying, I'm going to curl my lashes and put mascara on. Okay, the lashes still aren't dry, so I'm just going to darken my brows a little bit with the black eyeshadow. Hey, that banana bread is so nice.
That's on it.
I'm actually just going to get some mascara and put it in front of my brows, just to brush through those hairs, make them look more fluffy. Right. Lashes should be dry now, so I'll just stick them on. I usually just bend them a little bit as well before putting them on, just so they mould to my eye shape a bit better. Sorry? Sorry? I'm just gonna wipe off the rest of the bake. Okay, what am I doing? I'm gonna get a tiny bit of another pigment from Peaches and Cream called Mermaids and just put it underneath my brow bone. Yes. So taking my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless finish powder in number 2, I'm just going to brighten underneath my eyes. I'm going to take a flat sponge and just brush underneath where I've done that, and down the nose. I'm going to take that flat angle brush, and just go down the nose. And then going to contour a little bit with my Marc Jacobs bronzer.
A bit perkier in your voice. You've gone into that bliss.
I have. Now, like that. Okay, I think now what I want to do is some blush. And I've got this bright red blush from NYX called Crimson. I've had it for ages. Oh, there we go. I'm going to take this brush, which is a Morphe Y4, around the, right at the top of the cheekbones here, and bring it sort of forward and over it on the forehead as well. Obviously way more intense than your normal blush. Yes. And give my face a bit of a spray with the Pixi Glow Mist. I'm going in with this Fenty one, the Sangria Sunset side, so the really, really pink side. I'm going to take a Peaches and Cream PC27, go in here, and then just go where I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use the same brush to highlight the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer in shade 5. Okay, I'm going to skip filming putting on bottom lashes, but as always, the Mitchell Underlash, Tatty Lashes and Mitchell Underlash, but I'm going to skip through that, so I'll see you in a sec. I'll actually attach the link to the look that I'm doing. I have rhinestones on all over her face, but they look a little bit bacterial, can I say? It looks really weird, but amazing. So I'm going to try and do that. So the rhinestones I'm using are just from Amazon. They're silver and they're all different sizes, so I can make it look a bit more random. And I'm going to use lash glue to stick them all on. The back of my hand. And a tiny liner brush. And I'm going to go in with bigger ones first. And then put little ones around it. There, bam. And go. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that's what I want to do on both sides. Oh god, let's do this. Okay, let's go to another part of my face. Ooh, okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere with it. Stick, stick. Yep, thank you. Okay, I feel like I'm nearly there with it. I'm going to try and not move my mouth so much when I do this, but I'm using my Fenty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored, which is just red. Bold, bright red. Brush, this is Kryolan number 8, and line my lips. Subtle. Let's carry on with these. This is the longest I've probably ever spent on a look. I started at, what, 1:30, and it's 5 to 5 now. Oh, view round the mouth. Am I going to be able to talk? Probably not. Oh, this is silly. What's this, like day Saturday. This is my 12th day in isolation. And I'm sticking loads of tiny little rhinestones all over my face. So stupid. I keep saying last one, last one. I keep wanting to add more. The sun's gonna go down, I ain't gonna get a good picture for this. One more. 17 hours later, I am done with the makeup. I'm going to put a wig on and I'll come back with a finished look. See you in a sec. This is it. I really, really like how this turned out. Dead happy, dead chuffed, dead hard, dead fast, dead good. Like and subscribe, please, if you want. See you in the next one. Bye.